Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a fusion donut. So the first thing we're going to do is call our file a donut. We are going to check and make sure our document settings are in inches, and they are. And then we are going to go over and create a sketch. There's a million ways to do this, but I'm going to do it the super easiest way. I am going to create a circle. You know, I love those center diameter circles. Boom. And notice I created it to the right of the y-axis. You'll see y in a minute, and you want to do that. Create it either to the right or the left. I'm going to finish a sketch. Not going to extrude this time. I'm going to revolve, and it's going to ask me what I want to revolve. This is already selected, the profile, and then it asks me what axis, and I want to revolve around this axis. And watch. Boom. Donut. Okay, done. Don't forget to save and go over here and share your file link. Boom, a minute or less.